Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen issues on your Xbox Series X. Now, the first thing you want to do is to completely unplug everything. So turn off your TV and unplug it from the wallet, and do the same thing with your Xbox Series X. So hold down the power button right here, and then completely turn it off, and then unplug everything from the back. So there could be an issue with your HDMI cable also. So you might want to try flipping the HDMI cable around, put the Xbox end into the TV, and then the TV end into the Xbox, and just see if that is the issue. So just double check everything, unplug everything. Now what we want to do is launch it into the low resolution mode. Maybe your TV setting is different than what your Xbox setting is. So you have it set to 4K on your Xbox, but your TV doesn't support 4K, so it's going to come up as a black screen. So we can launch our Xbox into the low resolution mode by holding down the Xbox button. So let's go ahead and just turn this back off again since it turned on. So once it's completely turned off, we want to hold down the Xbox button and then the eject button at the same time. So let's hold both these buttons down at the same time. So I'm going to hold this down, and then it's going to power off after about like 5 to 10 seconds by itself. It's not going to power on at all. So you're going to notice on your TV screen. And then once it shuts off, we want to just simply turn on. So I heard the beep. Now I can go ahead and let go. And then I can press the Xbox button and then power this on. So power it on now. And you'll notice that your Xbox will be in a lower resolution, indicated by a bunch of black bars around the screen. So you can see the black bars on the bottom and then the top right here. Now all you have to do is go up to settings right here and select this. Go down to general and go to TV and display. Then you can go to video modes right here, and then allow 4K, allow HDR, auto HDR, allow auto low latency mode, turn on variable refresh rate if you have that as an option, allow YCCC, and then we can go back to resolution, and we can bump this back up to the maximum resolution our TV supports, so minus 4K. Now if this doesn't work, we can launch our Xbox into the troubleshooting menus. So go back over to your Xbox now and hold down the Xbox button, and this will completely shut it off once again. Now instead of pressing the eject button, we want to hold down the sync button right now. So hold down the sync button right here, and then after about 5 seconds, press the Xbox button once, turn it on, continue to hold down the sync button though, and then you will hear a second beep. Then you can let go, and we'll be launching into the troubleshooting menu now. Under here we have options like reset this Xbox, restore factory defaults. We can take a USB stick and update the system software by going to xbox.com/xbox1/offline update, and then we can update it via that method. But if we go to reset this Xbox, we have the option to keep games and apps, erase all accounts, save games, settings, and home Xbox associations, but keep installed games. So you just have to sign back in with your email address and password if we ever do that. If we go to remove everything, all your accounts and all your games and all the information will be erased. So you can just do that, and then we can go to continue also. So you can try that out if that is your last resort, but I just reset my Xbox and it only took me like 5 minutes to sign back in, so it wasn't a huge thing. Just keep your games and apps and see if it works. But hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.